Hi, I'm Lila Snyder, the CEO of Bose Corporation. Today marks an important step as we join forces with Redmi. For over 60 years, Bose has been changing the way people listen to music, movies, and more. This is because we've always existed to invent. Research has been our foundation and has driven us to develop new technologies that shape how the world experiences audio. Our earliest breakthrough in psychoacoustics revealed how sound could be engineered to recreate the presence and emotion of a live performance in the home and later in the car. Redmi is a trusted brand that delights its customers with meaningful innovation, reliable performance, and smart features. And we share a passion for delivering extraordinary experiences and redefining how people enjoy content out loud from their mobile devices. Working closely with the Redmi team, we've applied our expertise in Sound by Bose technology to ensure the K90 series produces remarkable audio from a surprisingly small enclosure. We believe this is a landmark achievement in mobile acoustics, combining impressive bass, clear vocals, rich detail, and immersive soundstage, all from a smartphone. We can't wait for you to hear it.